Até pedir que para, não tapa na cara, é só piranhagem. Até pedir que enquanto tiver gemendo, eu continuo o massacre. Enquanto tiver gemendo, eu continuo o massacre.
ధూమపానం, సురాపానం ఆరోగ్యానికి హానికరం. మతోన్మాదంతో జీవించడం ప్రపంచానికే ప్రమాదకరం.
Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Today, as in poster I mentioned, NASA proved that Bible is fake. I am going to prove it from NASA official site only. I will give this link. I will give this link in description. See here I give description. Okay, you can check yourself. See, imagine.gsfc.nasa.government. See official site. This is an official site. See, they also mentioned. See, we no longer answer questions on this topic to concentrate our limited resource on questioning of space-based astrophysics and closely related across areas. See, the NASA is continually bombarded with this type of questions that NASA proved Bible is true. There are so many videos going around on YouTube by pastors, by this jihadi, evangelical jihadi people. So they clearly stated that we will not answer questions. So this is the final answer. We will not change that answer. Go to hell if you don't want to believe. They are clearly stating that. They are clearly stating it. Okay. See, they are clearly saying we have already answered your questions. See, they crystal clearly proved that Bible is fake. So let us go into the details. See, I will give this link in description as mentioned. I will give this link in description. You can go. This will open. You scroll down. See, in first session only calendar and sessions. As you can see, last but one question: calendar and sessions. See, question: can science confirm the missing day referred in the Bible? Submitted 1997. See, in 1997 only they clearly mentioned that Bible is fake. I am going to this question. See, I just maximize it. It's not working. Okay. See, the question: can the event took place in Joshua 10:13 be confirmed? For example, by counting the positions of human the bodies back in time. See what they mentioned. According to the laws of physics, there are only two possible explanations for having stand still in the sky for a day. The Earth would essentially have to stop spinning in axis, for which there is no answer. For there is no evidence. And secondly, the sun would have to start moving about in the solar system in a very specific way, so it appeared to us on our spinning Earth to be standing still. Though there is no evidence of this occurring either. See, NASA clearly stating that this is fake. This story is mentioned in Joshua, book of Joshua, where he demands sun to stand still on Gibeon and moon to be on some other thing. So this clearly states that it is fake. See, they clearly mention that it is an urban myth. We see, They are clearly stating, we do have heard an urban legend about the scientists are finding the missing day in computer calculations of the motions of planet. This is just a legend. They are clearly stating. This legend has been around for longer than NASA itself, but turned out to NASA event sometime in 60s. See, it is an urban legend. They are clearly stating that it is an urban legend. The GFC find missing the urban legend doesn't make sense for the following reasons. See, they are clearly stating that it is an urban myth. So, the event mentioned in Joshua is fake. Bible is fake. NASA proved that Bible is fake. So this is the thing, friends. Bible is a fake book. It has no jurisdiction. It is a imagination book. NASA also proved it that Joshua didn't work. Joshua Day is fake. Jai Shri Ram.